Share my location.
Ready to send using messages.
Yes.
This is a great safety tip, so let me show you how to set it up. First, open your Shortcuts app. Go to the Gallery tab and search for Share Location.
Selected. Search. Search field. Insertion point. Gallery. Search. Search. Share cancel. Shortcuts. Share location. Share a map's URL with your current location in a text message button. Actions available.
Double tap on the shortcut.
Add shortcut button.
Then double tap on Add Shortcut at the bottom of the screen.
Added shortcut. Share location.
Switch back to the My Shortcuts tab.
Selected. My Shortcuts. Share location. 3 actions. More.
Flick down on the shortcut to More and then double tap.
Edit icon button. Shortcut name. Editor. Share location. Text field. Hey Siri. Share location. Details button. Close button. Show options menu. Remove action from shortcut button. Get current location. Show options. Remove action. Get maps URL from current location. Show option. Remove action. Send maps URL to recipients.
Now
Actions
flick
available.
down to Edit Recipients.
Message. Maps URL. Edit Recipients.
And double
Text
tap.
field is
Now
edited.
you can type in the
Send
recipient
maps
you want and
URL
click Done.
to Bonnie. Actions available.
You will want to go ahead and run the shortcut because there are 3 privacy permissions you'll have to agree to before the shortcut works. And that's it. Let me know if there are any questions.